Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned green beans taste good updated. Start by draining and rinsing the beans to remove packing liquid. Then heat oil or butter in a skillet and briefly sauté to develop flavor. Add aromatics like garlic, shallot, or onion and toast until fragrant. Finish with a splash of acid and a knob of butter to balance saltiness and create a glossy coating. In this video, I will explain how to make canned green beans taste good updated. Start by warming oil and gently cooking garlic or shallot until fragrant. Toss in drained beans and let them pick up toasted flavor from the pan. Deglaze with a splash of vinegar or lemon juice to lift the overall taste. Finish with a small pat of butter or a drizzle of good olive oil for richness and shine. In this video, I will help you make canned green beans taste good updated. Sautéing briefly gives beans a pleasant bite and lets them brown slightly for deeper flavor. Toss in toasted almonds, walnuts, or crisp bacon for satisfying crunch. Mix in fresh herbs like parsley or thyme and grate a little Parmesan just before serving to lift aroma and add umami. Serve warm so the textures and flavors feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.